I go stop him and call him. When Ali go for go call him, the girl run lick Ali already. The girl run go lick Ali already. Run go lick Ali. So I said, no, you lick my friend, me lick you. You fight my friend, me fight you. Yeah. Because me and Musu was not even would even say friend, because a long time I know Musu was a hypocrite. And a long time I know you bring my name to June, because I'm not an idiot. So a long time I kind of drop it back to basics. So you realize I'm not really too poor put in the Musu. Because a long time I know so you don't really like me, and a long time I know not hypocrite. I know no favorites. I know who is your real friend them. You get what me I say? I don't run up on enough of myself. I keep myself on a level. I stay over this with my friend. With my friend. You get what me I say? My friend, you feel like I can't lick, I'm gonna stand up and watch that. So, girl, you eat that? You're gonna lick my friend like such. You feel like, say, oh, my friend has some weak fence. You're gonna come lick my friend, dog. I'm gonna stand up and watch it. So, I'm never gonna watch it. So she lick Alia, I'm gonna lick her back. I'm gonna run in and lick her back, and I'm gonna hold on for me. And I'm gonna this and that. I say, you know, them never hold on for me. My floor muscle last night. She glad so much people out there. She glad, and she is a girl who love people with people. That's why people don't like cars. That blood clot make a girl. Trouble make a girl. And then I run gonna call June. Because you know June don't like me. Yeah, that's why I run gonna call June. Because June don't come fight for you. Yeah, that they want someone to fight for you, so you run gonna call June when you not even like. You know, see your son? Chad power tops. And then a girl go post, June, why you think my friend here, June? June, no. Why you think my friend here, girl? Can't you ever defend you? You ever someone follow you up? I'm still not disrespect you because I'm just not that type of person. But now for this for wrap you up neatly and kindly, love. But don't afraid of your June. So I go say, oh, you want a bad belly girl go on the internet and call her name. Rosalee, see me a call her name, yeah. Yeah, cause you run come and I fight war for girl you don't want. You see a Gemini like yeah, watch me. Come on, don't afraid of you, Gemini my name. Gemini my name, so you send for your bottom man. You say come lick me, I'm send for your bottom man for you, June. Look at my face, good girl. Me not afraid of you. Me not afraid. I'm gonna stop my granny and my auntie them tell me say yo, easy yourself, Lami. Easy yourself and your sister. At the type of art I'm growing and the grandmother I'm growing. My grandmother grow me so good for don't follow you up. But better than you, I'm smarter than you. Because last time I look on the so I laugh. So I said, what you eat at them? You got to talk about, oh, what? You defend your friends, so I defend mine. I'm going to do all the things I'm going to do that. I'm going to stand up and look for you. Because you're still my sister, dog. No matter what. You know what I say? You're still my sister. Yeah. And no matter if a girl this up till now, them still looking at girl face. I
see you, me there now. Come out to your yard. Me there see you now. Me there see you now.
You feel like me, you go confused. How many times
Come on
you come fight me?
Come on the yard.
You feel
Come
like
on the yard.
how many times you come fight me?
Pull up. Pull up.
Then take her
Pull
out.
up. Come on the yard.
Then take her out. Because me not go fight for you. Me no oversend to you, girl.
You got to deal with your bad belly blood clot.
You not come? Yeah. Chosen remover. She feel like this is mommy. I just feel like this is some little weak fence girl. This is not. June, I'm not afraid of you, girl. I'm not afraid of you. And don't feel like some stupid either. If you run up and run in your face, come and lick a girl. Can you not come spoil up a girl nice pretty face? You mad? You know, come spoil up a girl nice pretty face and a girl nice clean body what you don't have. You get what I'm saying? So a girl not running in your arms for your lick a girl. Yeah. You're not gonna lick a girl, so a girl not gonna pull up. Yeah. And when a girl pull up, a girl know how to pull up. Because a girl is a smart girl. Yeah, girl. So all of your ignorance and all of that, go and beat up, you come and beat up yourself. And do all the way you want to do. Because of God must say. And God no like it right now. God hates it because God don't like ugly and God got seen you. Because last time I see I took out the things that I have film on a go and I hear money by them. You give me a bed, you give me, and just say you take them back. And I kick them on this or that. I hear money buy them. See there? The AC where you buy, you left it, give me. And you left your bed. See, you take time, come back for everything there. The fridge where you come take out and the AC, you know about muscle right now. Rain wet them, sun dry them. The things them where you buy with your hard working money for sure, oh God, I got senior. I don't care because our people, when them start the money because sometimes Barbara still have to eat. But there's a little ungrateful, evil, wicked girl and God, I got senior. Because your sister they don't want things and you give your friend them who don't want it. Yeah, because your friend them a hypocrite girl. And them not like you, really and truly them don't like you. Your money them want and them don't like you. At least me a friend in my corner. Me have people who really and truly cares for me. I don't could care less about the media and who won't like me upon the media. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Me have who for rate me. Yeah. People really and truly rate Lami genuinely. Yeah, nobody not like you, June. I been a hold my mouth, brother. I been a hold it, dog. I been a hold it because my granny and auntie them say, oh, love it. He's a better person. You get what me I say? So, June, don't feel like say I'm afraid of you. I'm just smarter than you. You get what me I say? I'm just a very smart person. I'm not going to hear you talk up and say, oh, why am I follow back of your company shop? Why am I follow back of you? Go put up on Shanta them birthday. Listen. I don't know if nobody do over up on my life when me and her dip on the live play a match. She asked me say if I want to come. I tell her my ear is not come, so I do not want to come. And she look at me and said, "Lama, she want to catch up her ear. Girl, I'm not frightened for dinner. Girl, I'm not frightened for dinner. Girl, I regular my man bring me out for dinner. Dinner is a simple thing, girl. A simple thing. I reckon I'm paying my 28,000 for my 2 meals for me and my man. What are you saying? Girl, I'm not frightened for dinner. For 2 little pieces of all the 2 wings. What are you saying? Them some now I eat pan daily. But dinner pan daily. I'm not frightened for dinner, girl. I'm not frightened for dinner. I am not. And for some reason I feel like I'm frightened for you. I'm afraid of you, June. I'm not. Y'all got to talk about come out and come over. Girl, I know how to deal with you, you know. I know how to deal with you. It's true, I know say you have your dirty money. Cheryl, thanks. It's true, I know say you have your dirty money and make your money talk. Might as well make my one talk too. You someone flying to. It's like how you got your money and you want to talk, my one can talk to babes. Yeah. Because you don't know who you play with that tune. You don't even know the half. If somebody else laugh, I'm a simple dog. You don't know what you do, dog. You don't know say you play with fire, bro. You don't know what you do. It's like how you have your money, you're going to make your money talk, babes. Well, I'm going to make mine talk too. Because send for your body, girl, I'm a blood clot rich. You get what I say? Chat tank, you know. You see them something here? You see this? You see it? Bro. You're sad like the hairstyle in your fucking head, brother. You're sad like the hairstyle in your head. You're sad like the hairstyle the people them ever give, bro. I'm not allow because she not allow me, so I'm not allow her. Bro, I can't this June class her rubber. Because she come and eat me if a man not even want her, bro. What the fuck, Chargy? If you could have, alright, you claim to say, me and Jake, sister, me and Jake. If you could have forgive Jake and I'll sleep in the same bed with him, what the fuck says your sister? What says your sister? You claim to say, me and Jake, sister, me and Jake, that. And you can't forgive him. But you can't forgive your mother, and you can't forgive me. And the man still not like you. Even after the fuck say you couldn't forgive me, nor your mother, you still eat with like Paizo. Him still no want you. So no matter everything you do, no man still no want you. Girl, it's not even about your shape, brother. I didn't even about your shape because no fat girl must see a man really want my mark to them. Your mentality. Your attitude look just like you. And that's not pretty, that's not nice. And don't feel like say your money can't do nothing. Your money cannot do anything. Full brother, sometimes Enough look good girl a man now look upon them because attitude stink and attitude rank. Enough look good girl me know a man now look upon them. Because their mentality and them lifestyle and what them a do no match up to them looks, so the man now look upon them. Yeah. Enough clean girl man now look upon them neither. So nobody feel like say I your weight, I your shape, make nobody know why and nobody don't like you. I your attitude. Your fucking attitude, bro. That is why nobody don't like you. Wow. Yo. Sometimes you need to let go and let God, brother. You need to let go and let God. Chat all of my about some gifters big up on yourself. You need to let go and let God, brother. Because no matter all of the hate and this, I feel like say if me never follow you up and come to this is the first and the last time I come address the situation. And me come beg my kind. Say come take back your bed. And you just say something they know me I have to come and beg it and look it for bite back. Me have to go beg it and look it for bite back. You get me? I say I'm not gonna sleep on the floor. I'm not gonna sleep on the floor, miss. I ain't gonna sleep on the floor, love. No. You're not gonna see that. I know you want to see me feel in my life, but you're not gonna see that, Jew, no matter what. I'm gonna realize I'm gonna fix up and put on my clothes and look nice. You cuss you go on because you're bad mind. You get what I say? So bad mind. Chat me there, look at chat. I want to go by the bed and the dress up early as possible by Friday because June, you're not gonna live to see that girl I feel. You're not gonna live to see that girl I feel. Don't big up yourself, you're not gonna live to see that girl I feel. Not there. Chat thanks. Jay thanks. Chat thanks to all of you. You're not gonna see that girl I feel. So talk and go on and say all the way you're gonna say and come like you want for hurt a girl. You do enough, you know. Cause from me I must see 8-year-old. Oh wait there. Up till this day. Remember ever since stop me ever show you see it? Up till this day, June. Me have a stab in my back up till this day where you stab in my blood clot. Them time she said that she sell peanut down at town. I can't forget that day. I'm not gonna say I was a perfect child. I can't forget one day. I'm gonna take up our all phone whenever I work and bring her to school. And she come to me about it. I go say, them time me about 7 or 8. And she go come to me and say, oh, I have my phone. I said to her, I know your phone this. Really and truly, I was lying. But, as a sister, I say, do you that matter? Mama use her bag when she got town and sell peanut and she knows a knife in there. She use the bag and lit me on the back. Cut me in my back. From them time to the mark, never move. So a long time, you know, like me.
Me not views thing with no girl. Accept because you like views. We ain't no views thing with no girl. You say you're a bad girl. I want what you do for. I want pure lie you tell. Move your bad belly blood cut. I am there wait for you, bitch. I am there wait for you. Yeah. I am there wait for you. Bad belly girl, me there wait for you. Accept it. I am bad. Yeah. Anyway, my blood clots you. Anyway. You can run up back up in your mama eye. Anyway, my blood clots you, bad belly girl. Anyway, I see you. Because the last time you dash the blood clot, I me give you money for that shit way. Absa, are you bad? Yeah. Me have empty time I wait. Wars don't me there. Because you don't like the things to the media. You put the media cap in, so don't know. But the media cap is I am there wait. Run up. Answer. Yeah, answer the request. Come there, I wait for you. Yeah, come home. No, come home now. Answer the request, cause you're bad. Chatting you want in a lipping. You want in some lip service thing with people. Answer the request. I'm gonna catch up on the blood clot room, but me now ask Christ. If I think your name or your name, answer the request. Come home. Come home. Bad belly blood clot, girl. Come home. You wait on her ear. Me a wait on her jaw. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, you want to run up and go in a bag of chatting. Come home. You want to come in and talking for the media. You don't want to talk for the media. Come home. Me make your bed list. Come home. You know, but the way they and talk, you know, I can't find them. I don't know which part of the scheme is there. Talk. Come home. Come home. Run up.
You feel like I'm gonna make me fun.
Why run a yellow? Yeah, lip on a chat and a chat. Like your blood clot, but come. Kono. Yeah. Tell her me I wait for her. Your belly bad. Your belly bad. Your belly bad. Me my jokes fuck you. Me go hold you. Kind of social media war this. Me I go hold you, girl. Me I go hold you. Enter you put back your blood clot foot and this me must blood clot no. You think so me not go in and me go spend the whole day, yeah? Me must blood clot hold you, you know. Stinking blood clot, me must blood clot hold you. You think a social media blood anytime come me not stop blood clot. Phone. Me go hold your bad belly so cocky. You're so cocky for your 14 in our germs. And you lick out back in the blood clot. Your blood come, I go hold your bad belly. Dash your belly blood. You could have called till you drop down. I move to the mirror. I go hold your I go hold your bad belly. I go hold your bad belly. your fridge. Me I start the war and construct it. I'm going to say who bad from who no bad. Me I start the war and construct it. I'm going to go kick down it blood clot. Because chatting's no wine now with people. I remember me not chat too no. Me I start the war and construct it. Start phone no man. Don't call me phone. You don't know me nobody come give me a special. I'm going to go kick it down so run come. But balagalam. I'm going to chat in a while, you know. You don't me that cap him, not drop bing drink boom. Me that chatting you do. Me that talking you do. Yes.
Mommy, she said,
I say you do me that talking. Give me the rum. I that you want beg. I that you want beg. I that you want. That you want. I that you want. I that you want me kick down it. Me a bad girl. I want to take out 40 restraining order. Me a bad girl. I'm going to deal with the bad belly blood clot. 2 more rum in night. Me a going to deal with the so cocky blood clot. Then watch Fred. They look power worried. Now go deal with the bad belly blood clot. I'm going to show you something. Yeah, mine. Me, me war for you, so. That's all you can do. Them chance if they want to come to your platform, come talk. Yeah. Now kick out over that. Code over that. Code over that. Code over that. It's gonna be a clot. Cause you want to me that for me, I don't mean that with stuck cocky la marsha. No girl when me give money for that somebody can't give with me. I'm gonna beat out her blood clot. No girl when me give money for that somebody can't argue with blood clot me. Cause when she not beg me money for that the blood clot belly, she call me nice, cool and blood clot calm and collective. I'm gonna deal with her somebody that somebody dirty blood clot. I'm gonna deal with you. Stop text my phone. Yeah, blood clot come talk about. Stop text my phone. Stop text my phone, not text my phone. Give me a light. Deal with the bad belly blood clot. You have a lighter? It's my blood clot phone. Stop text my phone. Deal with the one on the bad belly blood clot. Come, who could come now? Where you got that sticky girl I talk about? What that sticky girl I talk about? I fuck on the cell. You then on the levels. I fuck yourself. I pussy yourself. Can't be my money there for that she belly what here. I pussy yourself. I'm gonna call you. I must got turf. I'm gonna hold you. Yeah. Naughty, yeah. Yeah. I want to do it on the media, so I go do it on the media. When I like the media, I remember me a disgrace. Me a disgrace. down it blood clot. Yeah. 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 So yeah. Me I make sure your sister me kick down it blood clot. Kick down it blood clot. I make sure mash up it blood clot. Yeah.
You guys broke up. She could have there with anybody. She could have there with a policeman, a priest, anybody.
Exactly.
What is it? What is it? Any of your business? Who she's with and how she spent her money.
That's
As
it.
long as her kids for her focus doesn't shift, we're still gonna love her.
That's it.
Because
Exactly.
To the woman I'm becoming.
But with me.
Take your time. Go on, babe.
Been
Nothing
talking
but
this
honey.
for years, so why today?
Why today?
Take your time.
But with me.
Big that prayer, someone could be.
with some oh no much. Always a user for make a content.
Right.
Imagine you want your